BRD company leads the new building material by providing standard panel solution, utilizing polyurethane and Rockwool core material. Polyurethane core material is lightweight, durable, and boasts excellent thermal insulation. Rockwool inhibits outstanding fire resistance, effectively preventing the spread of flame, while also providing the noise insulation. Through high-quality material and process manufacturing, our products line achieve excellent fire resistance rating. Installation is also simple and easy without sealant, lower construction costs. 3-wall panel styles are offered, corrugated, reinforced, and mirrored. Each accommodates coating thickness from 15 to 50 microns. Developed with a function-first approach, this product line is ideal for construction projects seeking high-quality safety performance solutions. Please contact our expert for any question during selection. Stay up to date by subscribing to our latest product update as well.